Welcome to the demo on how to read your Mood invoice. During this demonstration, we will discuss an RMR invoice, which is used for our standard monthly service charge. On the top right corner, you will find your invoice number, invoice date, invoice type, and bill to account number. Underneath this, your service location will be listed. Your payment term and due date can be found under your bill to address and on the remittance advice. Under Item/Description, you will find the services rendered and the billing period. Please note, all recurring charges will simply state Mood Media Services and the billing period. If you require the specific service breakdown, please make reference to your Mood agreement. The invoice balance due will be shown in the middle right section and on remittance advice. Mood's remittance address can be located on the bottom right corner under Remit To. At any time, you may view or print your invoice, make a payment, and manage autopay options with our online portal at billing.moodmedia.com. We hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for choosing Mood Media.